Veo 3 is the latest AI video generation tool by Google, designed to make cinematic content creation accessible to everyone. In this engaging tutorial, we'll guide beginners through the easy-to-use features of Veo 3 within a 5-minute video. The tutorial begins with an animated title screen that reads, "Master Veo 3 in 5 minutes, Beginner's Guide." The first segment introduces viewers to the Veo 3 platform. Clear screen recordings demonstrate how to access the tool, providing insights into account setup and login procedures. Animated visuals offer a walkthrough of the interface, spotlighting where to find essential features and menu options. Next, the tutorial focuses on the creative process with Veo 3. Viewers learn how to enter their prompts, seeing examples of text inputs that translate into dynamic video content. Demonstrations showcase the range of video styles available within the platform, from cinematic to documentary to vlog, allowing users to choose formats suited to their content needs. As the tutorial progresses, customization takes center stage. Screen recordings illustrate how to adjust settings, including duration, resolution, and style. Each step is reinforced with text overlays, simplifying complex actions. The voiceover offers explanations in clear, jargon-free language, making the process accessible for beginners. Visual elements transition smoothly with upbeat background music, enhancing viewer engagement. The tutorial concludes with a visual summary of the key steps covered. Following the summary, sample videos created using Veo 3 are briefly showcased, offering inspiration and practical examples of what viewers can achieve with the platform. Overall, the tutorial empowers viewers to confidently navigate Veo 3's capabilities, transforming simple ideas into captivating cinematic experiences. Whether creating content for personal projects or professional marketing, Veo 3 presents endless possibilities, all within reach. Through this guide, users will animate their creativity and master video production in minutes using Veo 3's innovative tools.